Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage inspired cottage decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage inspired cottage decor is a warm, cozy and nostalgic decorating style that blends the charm of country living with the character of old-timer beaches. It is not strictly antique, but rather inspired by vintage aesthetics, combining old-fashioned details with a relaxed, homey feel. Here is a breakdown of what makes vintage-inspired cottages special. Key characteristics: a soft and cozy atmosphere. Spaces are welcoming, comfortable, and a little lived in rather than formal or perfect. Vintage touches. Furniture and accessories often have their own distress or patina finish to look aged. Mix and match patterns, fabrics, and textures are layered for a collected over time look, rather than a showroom feel. Thematic details, lace, floral prints, ruffles, and delicate trims are common. Natural materials use oat, wicker, linen, and cotton are staples. Common elements: furniture, painted oak dressers, farmhouse tables, slip-covered sofas, spindle beds, or wicker chairs. Colors use soft pastels, creamy whites, tinted greens, blues, and faded pinks for a calming palette. Fabrics use floral prints, gingham, ticking stripes, crochet, or quilted peaches. Accessories: messengers, enamelware, vintage clocks, botanical prints, or old books, and other baskets. Lighting: candelabras with crystals, lanterns, or lamps with fabric shades. The feel: the overall feel is romantic, rustic, and nostalgic. It is about creating a space that feels both timeless and personal, as if every piece has a story. Think of it as the perfect blend of cottage charm plus vintage elegance with cozy corners, floral accents, and heirloom-style treasures. Let's go deeper into vintage-inspired cottage decor, since this style is full of charm and little details that make it feel authentic. Origins and inspiration: vintage-inspired cottage decor borrows from several traditions. English country cottages use soft pastels, teacups, and cozy nooks. French Provençal homes use distressed painted oud, elegant yet rustic furniture. American farmhouse and Shabby use whitewashed oud, reclaimed items, handmade quads. It is not about being strictly antique, but about creating a look and mood that feels nostalgic and comforting. Signature elements in detail: furniture, mix of antique style and cottage pieces, like curvy chairs, spindle beds, and vintage dressers. Painted or distressed finishes use chippy paint, whitewash, and pastel tones. Handmade or repurposed furniture often plays a role. Fabrics and textiles, florals use cabbage roses, dusty prints, or faded botanical patterns. Use checks, stripes, gingham, and ticking fabrics for a country look. Use crochet talis, lace curtains, ruffled slip covers, quilts, and layered textiles for coziness. Decorative accents: use vintage glass bottles, enamel pictures, or galvanized buckets. Antique picture frames, mirror with patina or botanical wall art. Use stamped books, oven baskets, and vintage china. Handcrafted touches like crochet, embroidery, or handmade pottery. Lighting: crystal candelabra for a touch of romance. Vintage-style sconces or table lamps with fabric shades. Lanterns and candlelight for warmth. atmosphere and lifestyle, the mood is gentle, nostalgic, and homey. Spaces feel lived in, not staged, like a place where someone baked pies, added flowers, and treats by the fire. There is a sense of solemness and simplicity, a cozy countryside life. Why people love it, it brings a feeling of comfort and history, even if you don't live in the countryside. It celebrates imperfection, unchipped glass or faded fabrics adds character. It is versatile, you can learn more toward dramatic English cottages, rustic farmhouse, or even French country chic, depending on your taste. The heart of vintage-inspired cottage decor at its core. This style is about blending nostalgia plus coziness plus natural beauty. It is not just decoration, it's a feeling of stepping into a warm, welcoming space that looks like it has been loved for decades. It draws from romantic country cottages with floral patterns and cozy corners. Vintage flower market finds use own old antique clocks and weathered baskets. Homemade crafts use crochet covers, embroidery, and quills. It is less about perfection and more about personality. Key layers of the style: walls and backgrounds painted in soft muted shades like cream, pastel, shades, and dusty blue. Wallpaper with floral, tile, or botanical prints is common. Whitewashed oud paneling or baseboard for the rustic cottage charm. Floors use natural wood, eased or distressed. Use of rugs, beaded rugs, or floral patterned carpets. Layering small rugs for a cozy collected feel. Furniture choices mix and match styles in a state of sets. Use farmhouse tables, spindle-back chairs, and slip-covered armchairs. Use vintage-painted dressers and iron or wooden beds. Furniture often looks slightly aged, not showroom new. Textiles and soft furnishings. Layering is key: cushions, straws, quilts, and table runners. Fabrics use floral prints, gingham, checking stripes, and crochet or lace. Use handmade textiles like knitted covers or embroidered linens add authenticity. Decor accessories: china teacup, enamel jugs, vintage glass jars. Use botanical prints, mirror with patina, and old books. Use fresh flowers in mismatched vases, wicker baskets, and rustic crates for storage. Lifestyle feel. Vintage-inspired cottage decor is not just about how it looks, but also how it feels. It suggests solo living, tea in a floral cup, baking bread, sitting near the window. It feels personal and collected, like each item has a story. It balances comfort and beauty. The space is cozy, not stiff. A good rule of thumb. Think of a cottage where the furniture was collected over years, some inherited, some thrifted, some handmade. Then layer in dramatic vintage touches, florals, lace, distress paint, and cozy fabrics. The result, a home that feels timeless, warm, and little bit magical. The sense of vintage-inspired cottage decor. This style is about bringing the past into the present, not in a museum-like way, but in a way that feels cozy, practical, and lived in. It mixes vintage aesthetics with cottage warmth instead of being formal or modern. It leans on romance, nostalgia, and comfort. It is a style that makes the home feel like a storybook cottage, where every corner has a memory and every detail whispers a little history. Decorative details. Use vintage china displayed in open shelves or hutches. Use old-fashioned clocks, mirrors, and framed botanical prints. Use crochet trolleys, embroidered pillow covers, and hand-stitched linens. Use fresh or dried flowers in enamel pitchers or glass jars. Soft lighting, florals and ruffles, nostalgic, old books, heirloom-style items, and repurposed finds. Relaxed. Nothing felt too polished. Comfort is more important than perfection. Homely, a sense of welcome, as if guests are invited to sit down for tea and cake. Lifestyle and atmosphere. Winter-inspired cottage decor reflect a solo living philosophy. A kitchen that smells of fresh baking. A living room filled with cozy throws and soft lamplight. A bedroom with layered curtains and fresh flowers on the nightstand. A garden view framed by lace curtains. It is a celebration of simple pleasures and the beauty of everyday life. Winter-inspired cottage decor is like stepping into a charming countryside retreat, where the past is laughingly woven into the present. Philosophy behind winter-inspired cottage decor. This style is less about strict design rules and more about a way of living. It captures nostalgia, bringing ethos of the past into the present. Comfort. Every room feels cozy and welcoming. Simplicity. Nothing overpolished. Beauty lies in imperfection. Personal history. Even if you don't own antiques, items should look as if they have a story. Think of it as a crafting a home that feels like it has grown with you over time, with collected treasures rather than store-bought perfection. Key visual ingredients: architectural feel, paintboard, shiplap, or painted paneling on walls. Low ceilings, exposed beams, or stone fireplaces if possible. Use vintage-style moldings, archways, and built-in shelves. Furniture approach: mixed styles. A farmhouse table might sit beside a delicate French chair. Nothing feels like a set. Pieces look gathered over years. Use distress or whitewashed finishes. Give a weathered look. Comfort first. Soft cushions, deep armchairs, and slipcovers. Textiles and layers. Use seasonal textiles. Heavier quilts in winter. Light lace in summer. Curtains, lace, floral chops, or simple linen panels. Use straws, crochet blankets, layered rugs, textures that invite touch. Use old suitcases repurposed as side tables, stocked of well-loved books tied with twine. Use floral china displayed on open shelving, iron candlesticks, crystal lamps, and lanterns for glow. Use handmade items like crochet covers, welded linens, add authenticity. The atmosphere it creates, when done right, vintage-inspired cottage decor makes you feel calm. Soft colors and textures stir to the senses. Nostalgic evokes memories of grandparents' homes, countryside estates, or old storybooks. Romantic lace curtains fluttering, flowers in a jug on the table, a glowing lamp by a cozy chair. Lived in. Imperfections are embraced, creating warmth and soul. Why it appeals today? It offers an escape from modern minimalism, bringing soul into homes. Easy to achieve with thrifted or handmade pieces. You don't need expensive antiques. It connects people to slower, simpler living. It is highly adaptable. You can lean more farmhouse, Shabby or English cottage depending on taste. Vintage-inspired cottage is about creating a home that feels timeless, romantic, and personal, where every detail adds to the story of comfort and charm. What makes it different from just vintage or cottage? Vintage decor focuses mainly on using old or antique style pieces. Cottage Decor emphasizes coziness, country simplicity, and charm. Venus in a smart cottage decor merge the two, creating a romantic, nostalgic, and homely look. It doesn't need to use authentic antiques. It can use new items made to look old, but it always captures the feeling of history and comfort. Key atmosphere and lifestyle. This style is not just decorating, it is a lifestyle choice that embraces solar living. Tea in a floral cup, baking bread, reading by lamplight. Imperfection. Tip paint on old fitted fabrics are beautiful. Layered comfort, quilts, cushions, rugs, and lace make spaces cozy. Nature indoors. Flowers, plants, and botanical prints keep the cottage feel alive. Furniture choices. Farmhouse tables with mismatched chairs, iron spindle beds with layered coils, sleep covered sofas in soft colors, painted outer-stairs cabinets and dressers. Use rocking chairs or wicker seating for that old-time touch. Why people adore it? It feels like home, even if you are just moved in. It is flexible. You can shift, repurpose, or buy new items with vintage flair. It's timeless, never trendy, always cozy. It is personal. Your treasures and handmade pieces become part of the story. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.